Welcome back to The King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. If you're new here, hey friend, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Today, I want to share something super simple, super cute, and honestly, a little bit magical for the kids in your life, my Kids Letter to Santa kit featuring a jolly Black Santa Claus. If your kids are anything like mine, they get so excited about Christmas and talking about what they want, what they've been doing, and all the snacks they're leaving out for Santa. This kit turns all of that into a keepsake you can save year after year. Inside the printable PDF, you'll get a cute, kid-friendly letter to Santa page where they can simply fill in the blanks and write what they want, share their Christmas list, and tell Santa how good they've tried to be this year. A matching, beautifully designed letter from Santa that's already written for you. No editing, no stressing, no overthinking. Just print it and tuck it into an envelope. As a bonus, you also get fun coloring pages to keep your little ones busy and in the Christmas mood. Everything is designed with a Black Santa Claus so your kids can see a Santa that looks a little more like them, their family, or their community. It's cute, it's modern, and it feels special. This is a printable PDF, which means you can download it instantly, print it at home or at a local print shop. Use it for all your kids, nieces, nephews, grandbabies. It's perfect for busy parents who don't have time to design anything from scratch, grandparents who want to do something sweet and memorable, teachers and daycare providers who want a fun, easy Christmas activity, or anybody who just loves adding a little extra magic under the tree. Imagine this. Your child writes their letter, leaves out milk and cookies, and then the next morning, they wake up to a letter back from Santa with the same Santa they saw on their own letter. Their little faces, pure joy. That's the moment this kit is really for. If you'd like to grab this Kids Letter to Santa kit with Black Santa Claus, just click the link in the description to get your instant download and start your new Christmas tradition today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Merry Christmas and be blessed.